leaves it back for Watt with a shot, rebound, and right across the crease. Wheatley had the chance there. And now Bird with a shot up high, and Bukowski makes the stop. They're trying to put it off him now. And moves it over to Eagle. With a Shindo, and he gets stood up there by St. Clair. Eagle with a shot, and a big stop there by Bukowski. A few fans coming through the doors still, as this game we start at 6 o'clock. Most of the time starts at 7:30, and a shot here scores. Thiessen beats Taraposky on the glove side. It looked like it might have hit a Wolverine in there, and the Blizzard take the first goal of the game. And now Boucher. Petrie right across the Boucher, and a big stop there by Bukowski as he makes the glove stop pretty decently. In that second part, here's a chance in front, a rebound, and another stop. Bukowski dove right across. Here's another one, scores! Lane Smith to the Wolverines tie it up. And now it's McDonald with the shot. And Taraposky comes across twice. He made the first one. It looked like the puck might have beat him so far in this power play. St. Clair brings it up with a chance, a rebound in front. Taraposky makes a few, and a goal right there by Brock McDonald, who cleans up the rebound. Reach for that one. Crywye has it. Pepler to the other side. Pepler, and a rebound. Crywye, he gets hooked up. There'll be a power play coming up to the Wolverines. Ganavanathong, and Petrie takes it away there. Wheatley, here's a shot from it, scores! Don't know if that was Wheatley, but the Wolverines tied up here at 2. And right across, McDonald with a shot, but Taraposky makes a very good stop. And over to Mazer, who has a chance against his former team, and a big stop there. Makovsky, a little bit. And here's a chance, McDonald, and over Taraposky makes the stop. Looking for the win here. Around it goes, and it's Baptiste. Moves it over to Petrie, and that one's poked away there by Bukowski. And now Bulger loses it, but he regains it again. Looking here with a chance. Loose puck in front, Bulger, but it's robbed there by Bukowski. Joey Moffat, who starts it here for the Wolverines. Here he goes, Moffat. Brings it in, and missed the net there. Bring it up. And what a stop there by Taraposky. And now Boston Bird for the Wolverines. Scores! Boston Bird puts the Wolverines up by 1 in the shootout. And here we go for OCN. And what a poke check here by Taraposky. We'll get one more chance. And a big stop there by Bukowski. It's going to be Riley Zimmerman who will bring it up. And Taraposky, and stopped it there, the Wolverines. What in a shootout. And Liam Taraposky remains unbeatable in the shootout here.